Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of ChatGPT and switch to another account. So first open ChatGPT app or website and make sure you're signed in. Then tap your profile icon or account menu to open your settings. And look for the option related to your current account. And if your version provides a logout option, then select it and then confirm it. And once you're signed out, you'll return to the ChatGPT login screen. Now choose the option to sign in with another account. Then enter the email and password for the account you want to use, or choose the appropriate Google, Apple, or Microsoft sign-in option. After signing in, check the profile information to make sure you've switched to the correct account. And if you're using multiple accounts regularly, some ChatGPT versions may provide account switching features directly, so check your account menu for that option. And remember that conversation, settings, and subscription are associated with individual accounts. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.